time no see, long time no hear. How are you guys? Me, I'm doing. I can't complain. I've had a rough, interesting 2 years, but nonetheless, God is faithful as always. I got so many updates. First off, my building is empty, completely empty as for now. I didn't want to say that too loud because everybody gets to calling. I mean, people who don't have the audacity to ask me for a room, let alone an apartment, has been calling. But so my building is clear. We've been starting from scratch, literally tearing apart the flooring on the first floor, painting, cleaning. It's been so much. I'm trying to see if I'll have before pictures. If I can find some before pictures, then the after would be much appreciated. I think I took pictures before. I think I took some right before they started painting, which would be good, so you can see that. Second floor is just kind of in limbo right now. We're going to Airbnb that and see where we're gonna go from there. But me and my property manager have been banging it out. We've been trying to take care of everything, and it has been quite a journey, so stay tuned. First time at the theaters. Say hi, London. First time at the movie theater. Say hi, London. Don't be playing shy now. Stop, big head. So, London, tell everybody how's your experience going at the first time at the show.